Have you ever wondered what makes Germany a perfect blend of tradition and innovation? Picture a country that's an intricate mosaic of time-honored customs, cutting-edge innovation and diverse landscapes. From the snowy peaks of the Alps to the vibrant streets of Berlin, Germany is a land of contrasts where the old and the new coexist in perfect harmony. Here, centuries-old castles stand proudly next to modern skyscrapers, and traditional festivals are as eagerly anticipated as the latest technological advancements. It's a place where you can savor a hearty meal in a rustic tavern one moment and marvel at a groundbreaking art installation the next. This is Germany, a nation that seamlessly marries its rich history with an unwavering eye on the future, creating a unique and captivating blend that continues to fascinate visitors from around the globe. So, fasten your seatbelts, sit back, and relax. Join us as we embark on this exciting journey through the heart of Europe. Our journey begins in Berlin, a city that perfectly encapsulates the blend of history and modernity. This dynamic metropolis, the heart of Germany, is a testament to resilience, reinvention, and unyielding spirit. Berlin is a city that refuses to forget its past, yet it's always racing towards the future, constantly evolving and transforming. As we wander through its bustling streets, we can't help but be drawn to the remnants of the Berlin Wall. This once divisive landmark now stands as a symbol of unity, a powerful reminder of Berlin's turbulent past and its triumphant rise from the ashes. From there, we're drawn to the iconic Brandenburg Gate, a symbol of peace and unity that has stood the test of time. This architectural marvel, with its 12 towering Doric columns, bears silent witness to the city's history, echoing the stories of generations past. Berlin's neighborhoods, each with its unique character, tell a tale of a city in constant flux. Kreuzberg, for instance, pulses with creativity and diversity. Known for its vibrant art scene, its streets are lined with colorful murals, independent galleries, and eclectic boutiques. It's a place where the unconventional is celebrated, where creativity thrives, and where every corner holds an unexpected surprise. On the other hand, Prenzlauer Berg, with its leafy streets and elegant pre-war buildings, exudes a quieter charm. It's a neighborhood that invites leisurely strolls, alfresco dining, and quiet contemplation in its many parks. The rhythm of life here is slower, more relaxed, offering a delightful contrast to the energetic pulse of the city. Berlin, with its blend of the historic and the contemporary, the serene and the vibrant, truly embodies the harmony of tradition and innovation. It's a city that's not afraid to remember its past, yet it's always looking forward, always evolving, always surprising. As we leave Berlin, we carry its vibrant energy with us, its spirit of resilience, its passion for life. This city, with its rich history and its forward-looking vision, leaves an indelible mark on our hearts, inspiring us to embrace both the past and the future with equal fervor. We now find ourselves in Bavaria, a region that charms with its alpine landscapes and rich traditions. Picture the grandeur of Neuschwanstein Castle, a fairy tale vision perched high in the Bavarian Alps. Its turrets and towers reach towards the sky like a dream spun from stone and imagination. This 19th century palace is a testament to the romantic spirit of King Ludwig II, and serves as an iconic symbol of Bavaria's cultural heritage. Now, let's meander through the cobblestone streets of the picturesque town of Rothenburg ob der Tauber. It's like stepping back in time, each corner revealing half-timbered houses, ornate fountains, and centuries-old fortifications. The town's enchanting medieval architecture, beautifully preserved, echoes tales of chivalry and romance from a bygone era. Bavaria is not just about magnificent castles and charming towns, it's also about the people. The warmth of Bavarian hospitality is a tradition as steadfast as the Alps themselves. Whether you're sampling hearty local cuisine, participating in a lively folk festival, or simply enjoying a chat over a pint of locally brewed beer, you'll be welcomed like an old friend. Bavaria, with its stunning alpine scenery, vibrant traditions and friendly locals, offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. This captivating region, steeped in history and tradition yet brimming with life, is a testament to the harmonious fusion of the old and the new, the timeless and the modern. Bavaria leaves us enchanted with its timeless charm. Next, we discover the romantic landscapes of the Rhine Valley. This is a place where time seems to stand still, where the air is filled with whispers of an age-old love story between nature and history. The Rhine, a lifeline of Germany, gently meanders through the valley, painting a picture of serenity and tranquility. Imagine cruising along this majestic river, The sun paints the water with golden hues, while the breeze carries the scent of vineyards that stretch as far as the eye can see. On this voyage, each twist and turn of the Rhine presents a new spectacle. Medieval castles perched high on hills, their stone walls bearing witness to centuries gone by. One such spectacle is the Lorelei Rock. Rising dramatically above the Rhine, Lorelei is steeped in legend. It's said that the enchanting song of a maiden named Lorelei lured sailors to their doom. Today the rock stands as a symbol of the valley's mystical charm, and it's not just the beauty that captivates us. The Rhine Valley is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its cultural landscape of towns, vineyards, and castles. It's a testament to the harmonious coexistence of man and nature, of the past and the present. This is the Rhine Valley, a paradise where romance is etched in every stone, every vine, and every ripple of the river. The Rhine Valley captures our hearts with its mystical allure. We venture into the Black Forest, a region known for its timeless beauty. This southwestern gem with its dense forests and traditional crafts is a testament to Germany's rich heritage. It's a place where clocks don't just tell time, they tell a story of craftsmanship and heritage that goes back centuries. The cuckoo clocks, a symbol of the region, are a perfect example of this. Nestled within this dense canopy of evergreens is the charming town of Triberg. Walking through Triberg is like stepping back in time, with its quaint houses, old-world bakeries, and the gentle melody of cuckoo clocks echoing through the streets. Here, tradition isn't just preserved, it's lived every day. But the Black Forest isn't just about the towns and their crafts. It's about the natural beauty that surrounds and defines them. The scenic trails that wind through the forest beckon you to explore and immerse yourself in the serenity of nature. With each step, you're greeted by the rustling of leaves, the whisper of the wind, and the soft crunch of the earth beneath your feet. And as you hike through these trails, you're not just exploring a forest, you're journeying through a living, breathing testament to Germany's timeless beauty. It's an experience that stays with you, reminding you of the harmony between tradition and nature. The Black Forest leaves us in awe of its natural splendor. Our journey takes us to Cologne, a city that mesmerizes with its Gothic grandeur. The city's crown jewel, the Cologne Cathedral, looms large, an emblem of the city's rich history and architectural prowess. This towering structure, with its twin spires reaching skyward, is a testament to the Gothic majesty that defines Cologne. Inside, the cathedral captivates with its intricate stained glass windows and the Shrine of the Three Kings, a golden reliquary said to hold the remains of the biblical Magi. Just a stone's throw away, the Rhine Promenade invites us for a leisurely stroll. The river's gentle rhythm, the whispering trees, and the lively chatter of locals create an enchanting symphony that celebrates Cologne's vibrant atmosphere. Crossing the Hohenzollern Bridge, a testament to German engineering, we're treated to panoramic views of the city, its skyline a mesmerizing blend of historical and contemporary architecture. Cologne is more than just its landmarks, it's a cultural hub, pulsating with life, brimming with art, music, and culinary delights. The city's spirit is dynamic, a reflection of its people, always welcoming, always inspiring. From the charm of its traditional beer halls to the edgy creativity of its modern art scene, Cologne is a city that both respects its past and embraces its future. Cologne captivates us with its dynamic spirit and architectural magnificence. The city's Gothic grandeur and vibrant atmosphere are the perfect blend of history and modernity, a testament to Germany's harmony of tradition and innovation. We now delve into the festive atmosphere of Oktoberfest in Munich. Welcome to a world where old traditions pulse with life, where the scent of pretzels and sausages wafts through the air, and the lively sounds of Oompa bands echo in every corner. Oktoberfest is more than just a festival, it's a cultural phenomenon that has been celebrated for over 200 years. Here, camaraderie and tradition are poured into every beer mug, and the spirit of Bavaria is as intoxicating as the brews themselves. At the heart of Oktoberfest are the iconic beer tents, each representing one of Munich's 6 traditional breweries. These aren't your average tents, they're grand wooden structures that can accommodate thousands of cheerful revelers. Yet even in such vast crowds, a sense of unity prevails. It's a shared joy, a collective cheer raised to the rhythm of folk tunes. The festival is also a culinary delight. From pretzels as big as your head to hearty sausages and traditional Bavarian dishes, the food at Oktoberfest is as much a part of the celebration as the beer. It's a festival that engages all your senses, immersing you in a jubilant blend of tastes, sounds, and sights. And let's not forget the traditional Bavarian attire. The men don lederhosen and the women flaunt their dirndls, adding an extra layer of authenticity and charm to the festivities. Oktoberfest leaves us with a taste of the joyous spirit of German traditions. It's a testament to Germany's ability to keep its rich heritage alive, while also creating an atmosphere of infectious fun and camaraderie. We now explore the Baroque splendor of Dresden, known as the Florence on the Elbe. This city is a testament to the resilience and rebirth of Germany, rising from the ashes of history to reclaim its place as a cultural powerhouse. One cannot discuss Dresden without marveling at the architectural mastery of the Zwinger Palace. A crowning jewel of the city, the palace is a magnificent blend of ornate Baroque design and elegant Rococo elements. Its grand pavilions and galleries reflect the artistic brilliance of the past, while its lush gardens provide a serene escape in the heart of the city. Just a stone's throw away we find the Semperoper, a beacon of the city's vibrant art scene. The Grand Opera House, with its high arches and intricate frescoes, has played host to many of the world's most celebrated performances. It serves as a testament to Dresden's enduring love affair with music and the performing arts. As we wander the historic streets of Dresden, we are enveloped by the city's rich culture. Here, centuries-old traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, creating an atmosphere that is at once timeless and contemporary. From its world-class museums and galleries to its bustling market squares, Dresden pulsates with a unique energy that is hard to resist. Dresden leaves us spellbound with its architectural grandeur. It is a city that invites us to delve deeper, to explore its hidden gems, and to immerse ourselves in its rich tapestry of history and culture. We now experience the speed and efficiency of the Autobahn. As we traverse through Germany, we encounter not just the charm of its traditions but also its commitment to innovation and modernity. The Autobahn, Germany's renowned highway system, is a perfect embodiment of this. Imagine a network of superhighways stretching over 8,000 miles, crisscrossing the country, connecting cities, towns, and regions. That's the Autobahn for you. It's not just a road, it's a symbol of German efficiency, precision, and a forward-thinking mindset. The Autobahn is more than a marvel of engineering, it's a testament to Germany's relentless pursuit of progress. With no federally mandated speed limit on some stretches, it showcases a trust in individual responsibility and state-of-the-art automotive technology. It's a pathway that propels Germany into the future while firmly rooted in its past. The Autobahn, though, isn't just about speed, it's about connectivity. It weaves a thread through the diverse landscapes of Germany, the bustling metropolis of Berlin, the romantic Rhine Valley, the timeless beauty of the Black Forest, and the alpine charm of Bavaria. It is the artery that pumps life into the heart of Germany. The Autobahn, with its seamless blend of functionality and innovation, is a microcosm of German society. It is a dynamic entity, evolving with the times yet respecting the values that have defined Germany for centuries. The Autobahn stands as a testament to Germany's progressive spirit, the spirit that harmonizes tradition with innovation, the old with the new, a spirit that runs deep in the heart of Germany. As our journey comes to an end, we express our gratitude to Germany. From the dynamic metropolis of Berlin, where the pulse of history and modernity beats in unison, to the alpine charm of Bavaria, a land of storybook castles and heartwarming traditions. We've cruised along the romantic landscapes of the Rhine Valley, ventured into the timeless beauty of the Black Forest, and stood in awe of the Gothic majesty of the Cologne Cathedral. We reveled in the festive spirit of Oktoberfest, marveled at the Baroque splendor of Dresden, and experienced the thrilling speed of the Autobahn. Through each of these encounters, we've discovered a country where tradition and innovation harmonize, creating a captivating symphony of experiences. So here's to Germany, a land of diverse regions, rich traditions, and a dynamic spirit that invites exploration and discovery. Thank you, Germany, for this unforgettable journey. Auf Wiedersehen.